Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. My name is Suhail Ahmed, and in today's video we learn about how to configure HTTP server and DNS server in Cisco Packet Tracer. But still, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notification of every new video. So here I am going to take two networks. One is for HTTP server and the second one is for DNS server. In HTTP server, I take two PC and then one server. Click on the end devices and then click on PC or laptop as you wish. Click on the PC and then click here. Again click on PC, click here and then click on the server. So I write here HTTP server, HTTP server. Now connect this server with the help of switch. Click on the network devices, then click on switch and then take switch from here. Now connect these two PCs and the server with switch. Click on the connection and then click on copper through wire cable. You can connect to any of them. Now I take this network name as SLS network. Now the time comes to assign IP addresses to these PCs and server. Click on the PC 0, click on desktop and click IP configuration 192.168.10.2. Click enter, then subnet was assigned automatically. The default gateway is 192.168.10.10. Okay, now to ask the application, I click on the PC 1, click on desktop, then IP configuration, and here assign 192.168.10. This IP address is belong to class C IP address. 0 last bit is 2, and so here PC1 last bit is we can write here is 3. So the first 24 bit should be same for the same network. If we change here 10 to 11, it means this PC belong to another network. But we write here 10.3. The default gateway is same for the same network, so 192.168.10.10. Now click on the HTTP server, click on the desktop and then click on the IP configuration. Right here the individual IP address 192.168.10.50. The subnet mask is assigned automatically. The default gateway is also same in the previous PC. So right here 192.168.10.10. Before close the screen, click on the services and make sure that the HTTP and HTTPS is on. Now click on the index.html file, click on edit and then you can change the name. This is for packet tracer as you want. SLS. Now class screen and again click on the HTTP server. Click on desktop and then click on the web browser. Here write the IP address because given the HTTP server 192.168.10.50. Click on go. Here you can see the full information. Now I am going to create another network for DNS servers. Click on the end devices. Now click on PC. Now I need one server. Change the name as DNS server. DNS server. So So we need to connect this PC and server with switch. Click on the network devices, click here, and then choose this one. You can choose any of them. Now we should connect these two PCs and server with switch. Click on the connection, and then choose the copper straight through wire. You can choose any of them. So again, need to assign the IP addresses to these PCs and DNS server. Click on the PC2, click on desktop, IP configuration, and then so now right here the IP address which belong to class C 192.168. The previous IP address is 192.168.10.2 or 3, but this network is different network from the previous network. So after 168, we should write here anything except 10. So right here 11.2. The subnet mask is assigned automatically. The default gateway is 192.168.11.10. Similarly, IP address assigned to PC3. Click on desktop, IP configuration 192.168.11.3. Default gateway is same as PC2 192.168.11.10. Now click on the DNS server, desktop, IP address, and here should give that individual IP 192.168.11.50. And the default gateway is same as the PC2 and PC3 192.168.11.10. Now before close the screen, again click on the services and make sure that the HTTP and HTTPS is on. Again you can edit this field, but it totally depend on you. So here I don't want to change. Close the screen. Take this network name as DNS network or home network. DNS. You should remember the IP addresses because it's very important. So I write here 192.168.10.2. 192.168.10.3. The DNS server IP address is 192.168.10.50, and the default gateway is I write here 192.168.10.10. Okay. Similarly, right here the IP address 192.168.11.2, 192.168.11.3, 192.168.11.10, 50, and the default gateway is 192.168.11.10. All the two networks are successfully created, and we need to connect these two networks. And for the connection of two different networks, we need router. So click on the network devices, click on router, and then click any of them. My last video is also related to the connection of router with two different devices. You can get notification from card, or you may have link in the description. Now click on the connection, and then click on the copper straight through wire. Click on switch, and then click on gigabit Ethernet 000. Again click on the copper straight through wire. Click on second switch, and then click on the gigabit Ethernet 001. So here the signal is red. It means the connection is not established yet. Click on the router. Now click on config. Click on gigabit Ethernet 000. Now to establish a connection with the following network, click here, and you can see that the signal will be turned into green. The right hand IP address 192.168.10.1. Close the screen. Now again click here, gigabit Ethernet 001. Click on here, and you can see that the signal will turn into green. Now right hand IP address 192.168.11.1. Now the IP address should be same as the DNS network. So click on the HTTP server once more, and click on the services, and make sure that the DNS services is on. So right here the name, anything like google.com or facebook.com, anything else. Now again right here the address. The address is same as the HTTP server IP address. So the IP address is 192.168.10.50. Okay, so click on the add button, and you can see the google.com here. Close the screen. Now copy this IP address, Control C, and paste this IP address to all the PC and server of DNS network. Click on the PC2, then click on IP configuration and paste here DNS server, Control V, then close. Click here IP configuration, Control V, or paste, close, and then click on here desktop IP configuration, and then paste here, then close. So now click on any of the PC, click here, and then web browser, and then right here the name google.com, enter. Okay, so this is not working. Close, maybe if I click here and then click on the web browser, google.com, go. Okay, so this is working, but the different network PC is not working. So click on the router. Okay, click on the gigabit. Okay, so right here, because if we click PC0, and the default gateway is 10.10, and the DNS network default gateway is 11.10. Router IP is same as default gateway, so right here 10.10. Similarly, gigabit Ethernet 001, 11.10. Now close this. Now click on any of the PC. Then click on the web browser. Right here the name google.com. Go. Okay, so this is working. You can see that the HTTP server information is shown here. So now we need to send a PDU message. Click on the simulation, and now click on the show all none and edit filter, and just we need DNS from IPv4 section. Check here, and then HTTPS and HTTP from miscellaneous section. Cross and then cross. Okay, so click on the P60, web browser, and right here google.com. Go, cross, then click on the play button and see what's happening. The message is sending from PC3 to switch and then switch to router. And then router to another network switch. And then switch to different devices and also server. The server is responding back and two different network devices is not accepted this message. So the message is verified from the HTTP server. So this is how we can configure the HTTP server and DNS server with Cisco Packet Tracer. Hope so you can understand everything. Kindly like the video, subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon so you can get notification for every new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.